When we talk about justice, we often say it must be swift, fair, and impartial. But what if the scales of justice are tilted in favor of the powerful, leaving the powerless at the mercy of an unaccountable state? Welcome to the Indian justice system, where stories of police brutality, custodial deaths, and forced confessions have become a grim reality, but hope is not lost. The new Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, or the Citizens Protection Bill 2023, promises sweeping changes. This legislation aims to make the police accountable, the justice system more transparent, and citizens safer. One of its key focuses is custodial torture prevention. So will this be the much-needed police reform that deters custodial torture? And how does BSS tackle this menace? Section 1. Why police reforms were needed. For starters, there's no dearth of reports highlighting the need for police reforms. Hundreds of custodial deaths are reported each year, most resulting from torture and abuse. Imagine being in police custody and then never coming out alive. That's the situation in many cases. According to data accessed through an RT query, 1,524 people died in police custody between 2014 and 2018, and shockingly, very few police officers have been punished for these deaths. As of March 2023, only 3 states, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and Haryana, had convicted police personnel for custodial deaths. This lack of accountability erodes public trust in law enforcement, and it violates the very essence of our Constitution. Section 2. What BSS 2023 introduces. Enter the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, a potential game-changer in police reform. BSS introduces significant changes aimed at ensuring transparency, accountability, and most importantly, citizen protection. Let's delve into the specifics. One of the most significant changes introduced by BSS is the mandatory audio-video recording of all search, seizure, and arrest procedures. This provision is a step towards making the police more accountable. It ensures that every action is recorded, reducing the chances of abuse and providing an objective record if any misconduct occurs. Additionally, the bill proposes serving a notice before the arrest in minor offenses. This allows the person involved to prepare a defense and ensures that arrests are not made arbitrarily. BSS also emphasizes the importance of informing the person being arrested about their rights. This is crucial as it prevents the misuse of power and safeguards against unlawful actions during the arrest process. Furthermore, the bill mandates a mandatory medical examination of the accused by a government doctor. This provision helps in identifying any pre-existing health conditions and prevents the police from planting evidence or causing harm during custodial interrogation. The bill also promotes the use of forensic tools to obtain confessions, instead of relying on torture to extract information. This shift is a move towards a more scientific and reliable method of investigation while upholding the rights of the accused. Section 3. Focus on custodial safety. Recognizing the vulnerability of individuals in police custody, BNSS 2023 prioritizes their safety and well-being. The bill introduces several measures to prevent custodial violence and abuse. A key provision is the requirement for the police to inform the family of the arrested person. This ensures that someone is aware of the whereabouts of the individual and can advocate for their rights. By keeping the family informed, the police are held accountable and discouraged from resorting to mistreatment. The bill strengthens the provisions under Section 41 of BSS for lawful arrests, ensuring that arrests are made only when there is sufficient evidence and when the accused is reasonably suspected of having committed a cognizable offense. This provision helps curb arbitrary arrests and reduces the chances of custodial abuse. Additionally, BSS 2023 promotes judicial oversight in police stations. This measure enhances the transparency of police actions and provides an additional layer of protection against unlawful behavior. Section 4. Challenges ahead. While BNS proposes significant reforms, several challenges remain. Many police stations and lockups lack CCTV cameras, making it difficult to monitor activities and investigate complaints. Furthermore, a significant portion of the population remains unaware of their legal rights, hindering them from seeking justice or holding the police accountable. There might also be resistance from police personnel in adopting these reforms due to concerns about increased scrutiny and accountability. Additionally, while the bill addresses various aspects of police misconduct, it lacks a specific punishment clause for torture. This may send a message that torture, although abhorrent, may not always have severe consequences. Conclusion: BNS 2023 demonstrates a positive intent towards police reform and custodial torture prevention. However, the true test will be in its honest implementation. Citizens must remain vigilant, lawyers empowered, and courts assertive in ensuring that the rights enshrined in the bill are upheld. Ultimately, true justice is realized when law enforcement is reformed, when those in power are held accountable, and when every individual, regardless of their circumstances, is treated with fairness and dignity. And that's all from this episode. If you liked the content, share it with your friends and family so that they too can stay up to date with the latest news and developments. Thanks for watching.